Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT sanitation robots by using Raspberry Pi. So the main application of this project is in order to do the sanitation process with help of fog disinfection as well as UV light disinfection. So these two will be achieved by driving this robotic vehicle into certain room where we need to do the sanitization for the both cases like fog disinfection for the sanitization, liquid sanitization and UV disinfection. Along with if you want to provide any guidance to the patient inside a hospital ward, then we can announce the voice by clicking on this voice command. Then the speaker will announce the please take medicine. The voice commands will be announced from the speaker. And also we can drive this robotic vehicle forward, backward, left, right and stop commands. Here we can see that the commands are like forward, backward, left, right and stop. When we click on this voice, then the system will announce the voice command of please take medicine and sanitation on, sanitation off, UV light on, UV light off. So these commands will be received by the Raspberry Pi 0 to W we are utilizing here, which is mainly communicating between the HTML page to the digital output and along with the controlling of the speaker. So the output devices here for robotic movements, we are interfacing the L298 motor driver, which will take 12 volts DC input and controlling this robotic vehicle movement. So which is we are using the 4-wheel drive vehicle. So there's a forward, backward, left, right motion will be achieved with help of this Raspberry Pi 0W as well as L298 motor driver. And then next, for the sanitation purpose, we are making use of the electromagnetic relay along with UV sanitation also will be done. Another relay, two relays for sanitation of this sanitizer liquid as well as UV sanitization. So these two relays are used to control these two output devices. And this one is the APR33A3 voice module, which will provide us the voice output through the speaker. So the voice is already predefinedly stored. That's why it's called APR. So audio playback recorded. And this one is the LM2596 voltage regulator, which will take 12 volts DC input and 5 volts DC output. So the 5 volts is the operating voltage of our Raspberry Pi and as well as APR33A3 voice module. And the next one more, this is the inverting circuit, which is used to drive the UV lamp choke. So this is a UV lamp driver and it requires 230 volts. So that will be fed from this inverting circuit, which will take input of 12 volts DC and provide us a 230 volts AC output, and that is input to the UV lamp driver and from there to the UV lamp. And this one is a charging circuit along with the regular power supply board, which is mainly used to charging our battery pack. So before demonstration, we should keep the battery under charge. So it will take around 5 to 6 hours to be fully charged. Till the duration, we should keep the battery under charging. So meanwhile, if there is any heating up from the transformer, no need to worry about that. It will keep on charging the battery pack till the duration. So once the duration completes, you can disconnect the transformer from the 230 volts AC inputs. Now we can utilize that. So the next step, first step is, as we discussed, keep the battery under full charge. And the next step is hotspot settings should be done. So for that, go to hotspot settings of your phone and configure the hotspot name to project 7184 and password should be 123456789. AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So after we done the hotspot setting successfully done, now install network analyzer application, which is used to get the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. So after these three settings successfully done, we can on the power supply to the kit. Just on. So wait till the system announce the welcome message, as it is indication of the Raspberry Pi successfully booting the operating system. So the operating system we have loaded inside this memory card. So we are using the 32 GB memory card inside the Raspberry Pi. It's a 4-wheel drive, 4 DC motors. We are using rating of the DC motor is 12 volt, 30 RPM DC motors. Or in that these two are in parallel, so that these two run will at a time. So this is considering as a one motor to the L298 motor driver, and these two are motor 2 section for the L298 motor driver directly. So you can see one device will be connected in your mobile phone. And now get the IP address of that. So go to options.
Welcome to the Project IoT Sanitization Robot.
Right, and do the scan. So wait till the second message should be announced, same welcome message. So there we can see one is our mobile phone, another is our Raspberry Pi. Just click on that, copy.
Welcome to the Project IoT Sanitization Robot.
Now go to Google Chrome. So here paste the same IP address which we got from the like network analyzer, and at the end colon 5000. Now just enter that. So there we get the video streaming, and same thing we can control that. So just forward, stop, backward, stop, and the next sanitization.
Please sanitize your hands.
Right. So there we can do the sanitization process of the liquid sanitizer, and we can off that.
Thank you for sanitizing your hands.
Right, and UV light on. UV light and voice message means voice
Please take medicine.
assistance for the patients when you want to announce please take medicine. So let us see the demonstration on the floor to check the vehicle movement. Right. So the same is sanitization.
Sanitize your hands. Thank you.
Right.
Please take medicines.
Thank you.